Dude, what's going on here? Whoa.
So,
look at that hole.
Yeah, we got some failing old cast iron pipe underneath the home, so we had to jackhammer up the concrete, excavate all the soil, and we're tunneling to the back-to-back bathroom on the other side here.
Oh, dang, man, you guys are going at it here. That's a ton of work.
Oh yeah, lots and lots of dirt got to get pulled out.
Yeah,
so we can expose them.
You guys look like you're doing an awesome job. You got all the protection in the house. Neighbor will be real happy about that.
Yeah, exactly. We got to protect the home.
Cast iron, real common. You guys are doing these jobs out there.
Oh yeah, we do them all day long.
Yep.
Yeah, and with the cookie cutter style houses like this, most of the bathrooms are back to back, so
yep.
It gives us access to where we could just break one bathroom up and like excavate all the soil to the other one without having to break both bathrooms up and give the customer a functioning bathroom while we're in here doing this.
Awesome. Good job, man. What company are you guys?
Realtor Solutions.
Right on. Yeah, so these houses, so we're in 92117. This would be Northwest Claremont. On the outside, they started here, and we're trying to get to this cast iron pipe, which, you know, after 60 years deteriorate. So they go down in there, dig the hole, and can't really see it, but he's actually inside the bathroom right behind this wall. So one of the things when you're looking to buy a resale home, or any home for that matter, in a real old area, you might want to consider running a camera down the old drains and see if there's going to be any problems.